signing for.
All right, we are starting for 2014 Topps Tribute Baseball Random Division Box Break. All right, we got 3 packs. Yeah,
Same as last time.
3 packs
I want
6 packs or whatever. All right, let's do it.
Your brother, we're buying one of those $10
First card,
and
first auto.
we get to guess
Tim Raines, 32 of 40.
American League Central.
Chicago.
That's you, Mike.
Chicago. We got Cole Hamels and Cliff Lee.
It sucks.
One of these, right?
Central.
Next card is an auto of a red.
Oh, that's for me.
Brandon Phillips auto,
Oh,
number 299. And our base cards are David Price. Hang on, we'll do him in a second. And Adam Jones.
okay.
Next pack.
They're pretty good deals, actually, a lot of them.
Looks like an older, looks like another auto.
Generally collected all cards.
Auto of Kenny Lofton, 21 of 50.
NL East. No.
Oh, I got 2.
No.
Central.
We got a Yu Darvish
Not right.
and a Joey Votto.
Indians.
Oh,
Alright,
yeah.
so we should get one more auto,
Indian.
one more auto, two more jerseys.
That's a
Got a blue of a guy throwing a ball.
Picture.
ham.
Gene Segura jersey, blue.
Oh, that's for me. The Brewers, NL Central.
And we got Marichal
Yay.
and Goldschmidt.
Yay. Yeah, those.
Alright, 2 left. So we got one more auto, one more jersey.
I'm not gonna get any more. I got my 2 already.
See a Trout.
Fuck.
Next card's an
Red.
auto of
No more.
Garcia Parra, Red Sox to
That's for
40.
you, yeah.
Very cool, very cool.
That's a nice one.
And we
That
got
guy's
a
happy.
Reggie Jackson and a Mike Trout base. Very cool, very cool. Come on. Alright, next one we got a jersey or a patch.
What's the number?
Next card is Ricky Henderson, bat 7 to 15.
Wow, if you have AL Central, NL West, and AL and NL.
And we got a
I got 2
Hamels
hits.
parallel and a Miguel Cabrera base. All right, so let me sort these for you guys.